In this video I'm just telling you something that is attached to reality. Other YouTubers or other famous English speakers, they say you something that is really magical but not logical, something that they just can attract your attention but cannot make you. Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video you are going to learn how to speak English fearlessly and fluently. As per it goes to speaking English, we will go blank and we forget what was the topic we were actually talking about. Really, if you are a speaker or if you want to deliver a speech on the stage, at the time you have the idea, you prepare too many things on that time and you spend too much time. But whenever you come on the stage and at that time you go blank. You don't know what to speak and how to speak. You start trembling, you start hesitating, and then you say, "Sorry sir, I can't speak." This is what really happens with most of us. If you want to just finish your or end up or destroy your fear of speaking, then this video is for you. Guys, the first tip that I am going to tell you is just listen. Listen. Because a baby takes birth in a place, then he or she just observes and listens. If you want to boost up your English speaking, just you learn. Your learning cannot boost up your English speaking, because trial is something that is gonna make you royal. Okay, that's what I wanted to say. Royal. Then you can be the champ of your field. Then you can come to speak English very fluently if you listen that how favorite people, our personalities, how most people speak. Then you can come to know how to speak, how they are speaking, how I can speak, how I can boost up my English power, English speaking power, the capabilities of mine. The first thing was listening. But what to listen? The questions come in your mind. What to listen? First thing, what to listen, leave this. What not to listen? Just don't watch English videos. Yes guys, don't watch English videos, but those videos or films, movies which are made by fluent or native English speakers. Really, something that is made, a video or a movie that is made by native English speaker, you should not listen, because in that videos and that movies they speak, they use contractions, they use too much things and hardest words and pronunciation. They are not they just go on the head of you. They just and it is a proverb or something else said in our nation. Our people always say this, that you listen from one ear and pick it out from another ear. This is what happens if you watch native English speakers. Okay, please do not if you are a beginner, not if you are advanced, of course you can listen native English speakers, native English speakers, movies, videos, everything else. But if you are a beginner, do not just listen, because if you listen them, then you will be uncomfortable, you will be in a problem, or you will be in overthinking. You will be overthinking that it's really hard, I cannot do it, it's not for me. Then you can just leave speaking, or you can just destroy the dream of you, means destroy to speak English. Then you just leave, you just bugger off from that place. This is what I wanted to say. Listen. What to listen? Now the question arises that what to listen. Listen movies, listen those movies which are dubbed by, like if some movie is made in Hindi or Urdu and this is changed into English language, then you can just listen. Yes, watch those movies which are changed in or dubbed in English language, not spoken or not made by native English speakers. Then you can just listen, you can just know what they are saying, what the situation is there, how the speakers are talking about this situation, and then you just you automatically start speaking. Really, you automatically start speaking. Or something else that has really happened in now it happens in our village, that we are Pakistani, we speak Urdu, it's our national language, but most of the villagers in our town, in our villages, they cannot speak English, Urdu. They don't know how to speak in Urdu language. But do you know how they came to know how to speak Urdu? Yes, by watching movies. This is one. I am one of these. Really, I didn't know. I'm not that good in English, Urdu speaking, but it was at first at the beginning. I was so blank. I was just going through the rubs. I didn't know how to talk in Urdu language. But how did I boost up my Urdu speaking? This is what I used to do. We in our villages just watch movies, just Hindi movies. The Hindi or Urdu, this is can be called same. We watch Bollywood movies. There we knew how do the characters talking about, how do they speak, how in what situation their tune goes how, and then we came to know how to speak, and we came to try, and we tried to our brothers, sisters, or other family members, and then we knew how to talk or how to talk in Urdu language. And then we came in the city, went to the shop, talked to the shopkeeper, asked for the things. This is what my second tip is. Meet people and greet them in English language. If you want to boost up your English speaking, meet people, meet your friends, relatives, or neighbors, everyone else, meet them. Just do not talk them in your language, talk to them in English language, and then you'll come to know how to speak in English language, or it will be a great trial for you. It's really difficult at first, but it's not difficult because it's not that difficult. You are thinking that it just perish my life, it just I will be ashamed, I cannot show my face to everyone. This is not what gonna happen. Speaking is not that a crime. You're not doing a crime, you're just trying, you're just making you better, making you the better version of you. This is what I picked from my speaker, and she called Muniba Mazari. I heard her speech, and I picked the better version of you. Okay, just meet people and greet them in English language. Then you will come to know how to speak, and this will be a great practice for you. Another tip attached to this was that talk in front of the mirror. This is what most people say, but it is really failed. What is this? Talk in front of the mirror. Are they mad? Are they gone mad? How talk in front of the mirror? We cannot just talk to ourselves, because it is one of the most dangerous thing to talk to yourself. Really, we can, yes, a beginner can talk to other but cannot talk to himself. I feel this, I still feel this. I cannot talk to myself, I cannot say something, I cannot ask a question to me, because if I am a beginner, if I know that whatever I know is not that good. I know that whatever I am going to say, I just make fun of myself. If I talk to myself, if I go in front of the mirror, I make fun of myself. This is really failed. You just do not try to talk in front of the mirror. You cannot try. Your feet do not help you to go in front of the mirror, and your lips do not help you to talk and help you to tell words. In front of the mirror, talking in front of the mirror, everyone said this, but this is really just something that cannot be tried. Most people tried it. Most people talked in front of the mirror, but they just gone making fun of themselves. I was one of these people. So this is what I am going to relate. I am going to relate that talk in front of the mirror. Everyone says do not talk, but you cannot talk there in front of the mirror. How just rubbish is this? How just something that is told you just do it, do they do this? Did they try this before? When they was not good at English speaking? No, we never ever tried in front of the mirror. We cannot talk in front of the mirror, because our own fear is really dangerous, is more dangerous. Then what to do in this situation? If you want to talk, if you don't have if you don't have another one to talk with, then I say in front of the mirror talking is really failed, then what to do in this situation? You have an option. You have a mobile. Do you have a mobile? You can record yourself. Yes, this is what my third tip is record yourself. Now you are watching my video that I am telling you tips and tricks how to become fearless and fluent in English speaking. You know, if I go in front of the mirror, if I say that if I am going in front of the mirror, I am talking to them and telling myself how to be fearless, how to speak English fluently, I just would have made fun of myself. Yes, this is what. And now you can see I'm talking to you like I'm talking to somebody else, and I'm really fearless because the person I'm talking to is not going to stop me, is not going to figure out my mistakes. Yes, you have an option that is you have an option that's your mobile. Use your mobile to boost up your English speaking. Record yourself. Record. Talk and record. If you don't want to listen yourself, you can. Yes, we just can't listen ourselves. We just I said as I go. I said before, we just make fun of ourselves, or we just be ashamed. This is what actually happens. We just, in this video, I'm just telling you something that is attached to reality. Other YouTubers or other famous English speakers, they say you something that is really magical but not logical. Something that just can attract your attention but cannot make you speak English. So this is on you. If you just want magic, you have an option to go to watch their videos. Or if you just want logic, something that can be tried, something that can be easier for us to boost up our English speaking, then this is what these are facts that are practical. I did them, I am still doing them to boost up my English speaking. You can also do it. You should do it if you want to speak English very fluently. Another thing I wanted to say, if you want to speak English, you just need to ask questions. How much you can ask question, you should ask question. Be fearless if it comes to asking question. Ask, and also ask people to ask you. Tell your brothers, and ask him to ask you question. Yes, question him to question you. Okay, if you are getting me, I'm saying whatever, you just tell him, brother, please ask me questions in English language, and then so that I can answer you in English language. This is a bonus tip, guys. The bonus tip is collect ideas, because without ideas you cannot just talk. If you have words, you have the capability of speaking, you know how to talk, you are good, or you are an amazing, or you are an astonishing speaker, then you just think, I can do it, I can speak. But if I ask you to come on the stage and talk, you just need what to talk, what's my topic. You just go to thinking, what is my topic? Means you just need to collect ideas. If you do not have ideas, you cannot just talk, because ideas are something that are going to be delivered, that are going to be told by your tongue, that are going to be said by you. If you want to say something and you have the power of speaking, you have these words, you have these capabilities, but you cannot still talk because you do not have the ideas. You do not know what to talk in that situation. So this was the bonus tip. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more videos, and like this video. This is what that motivates us to make other videos for you. Thank you. We'll meet you in another episode.